women are present here. All the world's a stage, woman setback. The praise all the world's a stage by William Shakespeare compares the world to a stage and life to a play. He has divided life into 7 stages. As stated earlier, world is nearly a stage, still women community is getting trouble in all the stages. Here, our students are gonna act how women are suffering stage each stages. First stage, the infant. Characters, doctor, father and woman 1.
May I have your attention, doctor?
Yes, mister.
What happened to my wife?
She is fine. You are cursed with your baby girl.
Oh my god. How can I manage dowry?
Better you just kill the baby.
How can I do that?
Bring your baby here. I feed poison to kill it.
Oh no. According to Female Infanticide Prevention Act 1870, it is considered to be an unethical crime. So don't bad it.
Doctor, you mean equal to crime?
Yes.
Thank you, doctor.
Second stage, school going girl. Characters, dad and daughter.
Good morning, Dad. I wanna go to school.
No need. You just stay there and do household works.
No, Dad. I should go to school and learn something.
Get up from my sight.
She goes to school with the help of her mother. She is facing lot of problems every nooks and corner. International human rights law prohibits discrimination against women in the area of education. In accordance with Article 26 declares, every woman has a right to education.
Stage 3. Lover stage. The third stage is that of a lover who is lost in his thoughts of love. The lover writes poetry about his lady's beauty, which is stated by William Shakespeare. Now how women are facing the problem and how they are maintaining the pressure in the society. Now students are in the college.
Hey, babe. What? I would like to share this letter with you.
Why won't you? Don't you know how hard I am struggling in this modern world?
Oh, as with any words, I want to hurt you.
The definition of cruelty is given under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code 1860 will be imprisonment for the term 3 years and fine.
Fourth stage, aggressive and ambitious. In fourth stage, as she grows older, she joins the army and becomes a soldier. She is physically not fit and full of aggressive, short temper in nature.
Why should you join the army and service for our country?
Yes, shall you do that, but reservation formalities are hard to get.
Kindly please help me to do that in easy way, don't you?
Surely I will do it for you, but you need to charge 15 lakhs for that post.
You mean as a bribery? Absolutely. I will get you to the minister and bring you an appointment order.
One month later, she came to know that she had cheated by the minister and fellow.
Oh my god, I just got 15 lakhs. I'm going to burn myself now.
Stop this nonsense. What are you doing?
Listen, my dear. We have an IPC section of 415. We can file the case and solve this problem. Just relax, my dear.
Oh, that's good. Thank you, my dear.
Fifth stage, maturity and wisdom. Fifth stage shows that with maturity and wisdom, the family woman becomes a judge. Now the file has taken to the court for the fair judgment. Judges are in deep the conversation to play it well in the court.
I demand 2 lakh for this case to be closed.
It's not fair. I already paid 15 lakhs in order to retain 15 lakhs. I file case in the court.
Don't waste my time, whether it need to be finished or not.
I find another lawyer.
What sort of problem do you have?
Already I lost 15 lakh. I filed the case in the cat. I filed the case in the court, but lawyer retained. But lawyer asked 2 lakh. Now I'm here.
According to Corruption Prevention Act 1988, one should demand for money. One should demand for money in service. So don't worry, I will take care.
Thank you.
Sixth stage, old age. The sixth stage is about the man who has grown old and seen in a pantaloon and spectacles. William Shakespeare stated this, "Now she becomes terribly thin and old. It seems 100 years old, still she is fighting to win the case."
Hey, look at me. How terrible old I am. Yeah, my dear. Now it's time to realize and file the case against the lawyer. Oh, yeah. I understood how the education may solve any set of problems in this universe. Yeah, my dear. Thank you for your wonderful laws and ideas. Yeah, of course.
Seventh stage, second childhood days. The last stage is about the man who loses his teeth, his vision and his hearing. After this man's part in the play ends and he exists from the stage life forever. In the modern wasteland, many women are left in the orphanages, middle of the street and roadways.
It's horrible. How did you come here?
My husband was died and my son left me, and now I'm here.
How strange he is.
To whom and where can share this domestic violence?
We have Protection of Women for Domestic Violence Act 2005.
Now we go and trial.
Yes.
Many social activities have been fighting for gender issues, women's sexual liberation, reproductive rights, job opportunities and changes in custody and divorce laws. As we are humble and good human beings, we can always respect and care the women community hereafter. Thank you.